If you've watched some of our other tutorials, you may already be familiar with Snagit's annotation and drawing tools that add to your image. But if you want to manipulate objects already there in your capture, you can use the Selection tool to draw around the area, then move, cut, or delete the selection. Unfortunately, like you see here, sometimes you're left with holes in your image. While you could use the Fill tool to fill the area, it's more efficient to select Autofill before making my selection and then press Delete. See how the fill matches the surrounding area? You can also autofill freehand selections. So if I have an awkwardly shaped object I want to select, this allows me to draw around it. And if you'd like to collapse your selection to the nearest edge, turn on Snap to Object. Watch how quickly I can select parts of this flattened image and rearrange them. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching.